Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the ice rose effects. And in case you're wondering, the ice rose effect is one that just appears, a flower, frozen flower appears around the subject. So we can see an example of what the effect looks like here. So we can see it's so very similar to one of the X-Men, that code guy's power. So you can create this type of effect by going to Higgsfield AI, sign in or sign up. If you do not have an account, click on visual effect and click on the ice rose, just like the name. So once you're done, just click on generate. You'll be brought to a page where you get to upload the image you want to use the effect on and convert it to a video. So all you have to do is upload your image here. If you have an end frame, you can do that, but this is really optional. I don't think you need an end frame because you don't know how it look like. And for prompts, you can input what you want. You can even change the color of the ice rose if you wish. Then click on choose the model you would want. Now I advise you that you leave the model as it is, in that the best effects come with their own model. So if you change it, it may not give you the best effect for that particular model, but if you leave it with the default one, you can see the best one. So you can also change this to whatever suits you, then click on generate, and after a few minutes your video would appear here. This is an example of the one I did some time ago. So uh, once you're done, you can click on download to make it to download it to your system and use it for your projects. So that will be all for now, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel as I'm actively trying to grow the channel. Thank you very much and do have a great day, guys.